Welcome to the talk of ICCV paper, Dressing in Order, Recurrent Person Image Generation for Post-Transfer, Virtual Try-On, and Outfit Editing. Dressing in Order is designed for multiple fashion tasks, including virtual try-on. Let's assume we have a source person and two garments to try on. Dressing in order can let the user to decide what order they want to put on the shirt and the pants. As a result, we will generate either tucking in result or not tucking in result. Besides that, we can also keep layering additional garments on the existing outfits. In this way, we can achieve both multiple layouts and multiple layers. Both of the two applications are first achieved in virtual try-on. Besides, we can also do post-transfer and outfit editing, including content removal, reshaping, print insertion, and texture transfer. A little bit of background about virtual try-on. Virtual try-on is usually solved as a garment replacement problem, which means a model will predefine a set of garment categories, and when a person wants to try on a new garment, the model will replace the old garment in the same category with the new garment. This is to say, there is a one garment per category assumption in all previous work. These assumptions make no layering available. Another limitation is that the previous work can only generate one layout for a set of garments, so the user have no control about the layout. Instead, our work gives the user control on both layering and layout, so the users can have more options in the virtual try-on rooms. Another related area is post-transfer. The previous post-transfer work are majorly working on post-transfer only. Instead, we design a unified architecture with flexible modules to enable both post-transfer, virtual try-on, and fashion editings. The key for dressing in order to work on multiple tasks is a recurrent pipeline. The generation starts with a target pose and a source person. The first thing we do is we will extract the skin region from the source person and render the source person in the target pose. Next, for every garment that we are interested, we will separately encode its shape and texture, and we use a generator called GGAR to put it back on the person. The GGAR will be recurrently running for every new garment, so we can sequentially layering garments one by one. Technically, we can keep running this step as many times as we want because this is a recurrent mechanism. With such a pipeline, we can play with every component to achieve different applications. For example, we can achieve post-transfer by playing with this target pose input. Also, we can play with the dressing order. Currently, the dressing order is to put on the shirt first and then the shorts, and we achieved a tuck-in result. However, if we switch in the order of the shorts and the shirt, we can get a not tuck-in result. So by playing with the dressing order, we can achieve different layout and many interesting effects. Besides, we can also play with the separately encoded shape and texture. The shape and texture of a garment can actually come from different source images. By doing so, we can achieve reshaping, or we can achieve texture transfer. So the texture input can even come from external source images. And we can do content removal by removing the unwanted region from the texture input. And we can do print insertion by treat the print as an additional input of garment, and the model will render it in a plausible way. For the performance of our work, based on the user study, for post-transfer, our work is equivalent or slightly better than the previous work. And for virtual try-on, users are more likely to prefer our work than the previous work because we can preserve more details in terms of shape and texture. More results about the try-on, including try-on with different layout, layering inside and outside, and keep layering outside. More results about editing, including texture transfer, reshaping, content removal, and content insertion. There are more about our work in our paper on our project page, and you can also check our code on GitHub. Thank you.